So hello everyone, it's me Harshit again from SCITECHE, and this is the final part 5 of complete PictoBlox series. Till now we have covered everything from intro to blocks, for which you can find the link in I button. And today in this video we will be going to cover the extension feature, Python ML and XR and 3D environment. So without wasting any time, let's go start.
Now let me tell you about this extension option. So inside extension option, as I mentioned in very starting, you will be almost going to get each and every 21st century skills over there. So with the face detection, object detection, IoT, NLP, and a lot of different extensions. So if you just click on, if you can click on any of the extension, and if you select any extension, the mod extension will get loaded. And once it is loaded, you will find a new block palette over there, using which you can use that specific extension. Now, for those extensions, I will not be including part into this, otherwise like video will be very long. For the extensions part, you can watch other video. Link will be attached in description or maybe in the I button above. From there, you can watch extensions, videos on extensions, like how you can use any specific extension. So I have made specific or separate videos on face detection, object detection, and other extensions, which you can find in the I button. Okay. Now, the other thing is Python programming environment. So for Python, you can just go to Python from this option as well, and even using like if you are like from the starting window as well. So you can go inside from the block-based coding environment and using this Python option as well. So Python environment will be looking like this. So this is our coding area. This is our terminal. So whatever code you write over there will provide like some kind of output over there, but will be executed over there, which means like if I'm doing some animation and like animation will be displayed to me over there, and this is the terminal where like whatever I'm wish to print the terminal, I can print over there, and even errors will be like prompted to me over there. And this time to execute the code, I need to use this run button. Okay, so I have like two scripts if you can see, and if I click on run, only the selected script will play, and run all scripts will play. This is again the stage and our character to be each and everything same. So I will attach a link in description which provides you library for the PictoBlox, because here you can use like normal PictoBlox, normal Python programming, but PictoBlox do have like their own library, or like you can say like their own methods and functions which you can use to interact with this character, maybe with their Quarky Robot or any other thing. But you can use normal Python as well. So just for an example, if I wish to print hello, I have written print hello, and if I click on run, it will print that same over there in hello. And if I wish to use like this, I can write sprite like this, and after that I can use the dot method, and then it will provide me a suggestion of all of the methods it does have. So this way you can try. So just for an example, if I wish to sprite dot move, it also provides me like this kind of like I need to do some code, so I can use sprite dot move, and then I can write the number of steps. So let me check using this, and this character should move. Okay, can you see? And let me enter it as 100. So this way. Okay, so this is how you can interact in like Python environment as well. So whatever you can do in like normal block-based coding, same thing you can do in Python programming environment as well. Next, if you click on this option, you can upload CSV file, text file, video, photo, and some other Python file into your programming environment or Python interface as well, which maybe you are using in your program. And if you click on this icon here, you can add extensions, which we are able to add in like normal block-based programming option. And same thing we can do here as well. And if you click on this, so you can install any of the pip package. For an example, if you are interested to work over pandas or some other library in Python, any of the library, you can install it from here. So you can install it by scrolling here, and if that is not there, you can go to installer and can directly type the pip name of that file and can click on install. It will install the same pip package into your system. Okay, so I hope the Python environment is clear to you, and like it's like something same block-based coding, but like if you wish to work in Python, you can work in Python. If you wish to work in blocks, you can work in blocks. But both of the things, almost each and everything which you are able to do in blocks, you can do in Python as well. Now, You may have a question, what is the difference between Python editor and Python notebook? So if you have used Python before, so in programming language, there is a term known as comments. So whatever code you are writing, if you need to insert some text in between, you use comments, which is not executable part of code, which is just like for commenting something or providing an idea that what specific thing that specific code is demonstrating, or like what's the code about. But in Python notebook, there is no need to write comment, because inside Python notebook option, you can write text as well as your code on the same file. Is something similar to Jupyter Notebook and Google Colab. You can search on Google. So just for an example, here in this block, I can write code. For an example, print hello. Shift plus enter. If I click on shift plus enter, I can execute the same code instantly over there. And now I have again second code block where I can write another code. So you can execute code instantly. And if I wish to write some text, now I've converted this to markdown. So I can add text as well. Above code is to display hello. Okay. So you can see this, I have written that code as well as text as well. So both of the things can be there in the same file. That's why we call it as notebook, Python notebook. Notebook is just like similar. Whatever our teacher is teaching us, we are writing that, and even our own notes as well, like highlighting something using black and blue pens to highlight any specific thing, marking something as important. So it's something relating to notebook. That's why maybe we have marked this, named it as uh, Python notebook. Okay, let me go back. So till now we have covered junior blocks, block-based coding, Python editor, Python notebook option. Now machine learning environment. So as I mentioned to you, in PictoBlox we can work over two different type of machine learning, which is pre-trained, which we can use using the extensions option, and then the custom. So if you are interested in training your own custom model from very starting, like training it, testing it, improving accuracy, then you can use the same in machine learning environment. So you can create your own custom machine learning models like face detection, object detection, and for other things. So on this part, I will be creating a separate video, and if you need video, just comment down on this video. I will make a separate video on this, and if the video is available, the link should be there in the I button. But I am just providing a quick overview. You can click on create new project, just type your project name, and then you can select what type of project you are actually wishing to create. So just for an example, I wish to make a and cat classifier. Okay, so I can collect the type. Like it's not only for the dog and cat, I can do whatever I wish to do. Maybe like the classifier model is type of model which we can design to distinguish between two different things. So maybe 5 and 4 if I'm showing. So it's completely no code. I can name it as dog and can provide sample or data for dogs. I can name it for cat, provide data and sample for cat. If I wish to add other animals, I can click on add class, and then once I have provided data, I can train it and then test it. Okay. And once test, I can export it to blocks. And after that, you will get blocks for the same into your block coding environment. Okay. And as I mentioned, I will be going to create a separate video on this part, and it's something similar to Google Teachable Machine. Okay. Now let's go back, and machine learning part is only this part, and if you have like exported any of your blocks by training your model, those blocks will appear over here. You can also access the machine learning environment from this option. So for now, let me go back to the main screen. So only last feature which is remaining for now is 3D and XR Studio, and this is part which combines augmented reality, virtual reality, and extended reality. So what are those technologies? So augmented reality is where you are actually placing a virtual object in real environment. Example, you may have seen some of the products on Amazon where view in AR option is available, which means you can view that product before purchasing into your room. You have to open your camera and click on view AR option, and then that same object will be visible in your room. Maybe you are purchasing some lamp, then you can see how, or what color of the lamp, or how it will look inside my room. Okay, same feature is available on Zomato. You can try or check how the food, if I order, look on my table. And for paints as well, you can open your camera and of your same wall, you can change color by sliding, like, oh, this color will look like this color will look like this. That's AR. Placing a virtual object in real environment. VR. VR is virtual reality, which is like going completely inside a virtual environment, which happens when you wear VR headset. Okay, so I'm teaching you, or like I'm in my studio and creating this video, and as soon as I like wears VR headset, I may feel maybe on jungle or maybe at some other place. Okay, that's VR, completely going inside virtual environment. And then comes the XR, which is this. XR we write using X and R, but is this full form is extended reality, which is the combination of both augmented reality and virtual reality. And it's you can say like generally used in games where like both are combined. So you may be able to interact with the characters as well. Like you will be in completely virtual environment and you will be able to interact with those characters as well. So that's XR. So for now, 3D and XR Studio like wishes to project like display that same thing to you, but for now I do have like some projects which I can show. So like just for an example, I decided to like I tried to design a character of Doraemon completely into this 3D XR studio. So like if I just show you, so this is the like complete 3D environment where you can create your own 3D characters which you can use for robotic simulation and for other purpose as well. So this is the complete robot 3D character of Doraemon which I tried to design. You can see, and this is the character of Doraemon, which is like totally completely 3D. I can edit it completely, and there's like AR cam, and if I click on preview, this is preview option. So whatever is in front of this camera will be displayed over there. Okay, this is like this, and like there are like I can add multiple objects and then can maybe make some other thing. I can add a different characters or like any other thing which I wish to add. Okay, I can add it using these options. Add text, add environment, add. So like if I just show you add by editing environment, if I wish to make some snow, I can click on snow and you can notice like snow is like in the environment. And I wish to add Minecraft environment, so it will like glitch a little, and then after that like a whole complete Minecraft environment is over there. So you can see like complete Minecraft environment is over there. So these kind of things I can easily do into this environment. And best thing is that if you click on play, you can create animations. You can apply the actual logics of physics into this virtual environment. Which means if there is an object hanging inside here, then that specific object will fall downwards with some gravity or friction kind of thing. You can apply. You can code the complete 3D file. I can code this 3D character of Doraemon to make it do something. So let me show you few other projects which I have ready to showcase you. So like I have to have like a complete city design into the same 3D environment. So if I just open and show you, so it is like complete structure of a complete city which is completely designed into the 3D and XR Studio, where we do try to design a complete city and applied some animation. So this is like a complete city if you can see. So that's a complete city, and if I click on play, and then after that animations, I will be able to play animation which I've added into this whole city. So you can see like the airplane is flying from one place to another. We are moving camera movements like this. At some camera movement, the character is talking, and like some other few different things happening into this environment. These all complete things we can do using the 3D and XR Studio, and we can use for 3D animations, some 3D game development, and maybe for study as well, like to demonstrate or to explain some topic maybe related to HUD in completely 3D environment. So these type of things we can easily do using 3D and XR Studio. And even like there are ready to use animation and graphics available which you can import into the same. And if you can see like if like both of these collide with each other, there will be like fire animation as well. So this is like very easy to implement, and this like very interesting part because we are able to explain or like showcase something in 3D environment. Now, for the game example, at last I do have like one more project which is of Minecraft. So if I just open this project, which is a Minecraft environment, so here you can see like I do have like a Toby character over there. I can go to code option, and again I can code the same in block as well as in Python. So for now I'm in like go to code option, and here I can code the complete 3D character. So like if I just show you, Let me do it full screen to start the game, like green flag and then full screen. Okay, now my character is there. I can move this. So I'm now moving this character using the arrow keys, and I can use my mouse like this to like look at any other place. I can zoom in, zoom out as well, so as to have a wider look at my character. So I have added some keys as well, which is and which is running kind of effect, and then rolling kind of effect, and then one more effect which is of laughing. If I show you it in front, so this is the laughing animation which I've added in Toby, and then rolling, and then running. So I can make it jump and then roll like this. So this is these are the few things which we can easily do into this PictoBlox environment. So that's all for the PictoBlox software. I've explained you each and everything relating to this software, ranging from the junior blocks to normal block coding, then Python notebook, and machine learning environment. So I hope you have got each and everything in a much clearer way and better way. If you faces any issue or have any doubts pending or maybe any questions, you can ping me down in the comment section below. And if you need a video separately on any of the specific part of PictoBlox or maybe on Quarky, like how to integrate the robotics part using the block coding option, which is to how to deal with Quarky, maybe Arduino or some other board, you can let me know in the comment section video and I will make a separate video on that.
Finally, we have covered it all for this complete PictoBlox series. I will keep on posting separate videos for robotics with Quarky, extensions, and on other features of PictoBlox. If you have any questions, doubts, or suggestions, you can leave the same in the comment section below. And so thanks for watching. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe us. Thank you.